So this video is just intended to be a guide and a quick demo as to how the automatic chargeback and evidence works with Stripe. So on Donation Store. The Stripe stuff on Donation Store has been rewritten with version 2.4, and this is a feature that's in 2.4. So if you haven't updated, you're gonna have to update to 2.4. But it was rewritten for SCA reasons, and there's a doc explaining that on our doc site. However, as you can see right now, there's a few payments here. Some are chargeback, some are complete. However, I have another package here which I can purchase. It's in my cart. I'm just going to use some example details. And I'm just going to pick Stripe as the payment method. So to actually go ahead and test this, Stripe have given us, you can get them on their website, some test cards. So this card is created, this number you can use it to test, is used to basically charge the user initially and then throw a dispute. So we can show you how that works. So I'll press purchase and it'll go ahead and charge the user's card and then, as I said, create a dispute. So when I come back here and refresh, you can see that there's a new chargeback case at this time, and I can press view, and as you can see, it's for what I was buying, and it says that this was charged back by the user, and I can click on the case and you can see that Donation Store has now made this chargeback case. So it's with Stripe, it needs a response and some other information, so the dispute ID which matches up to what that is in Stripe's control panel. So what I can do is I can show you the events page on Stripe's control panel, and I can show you that the one that we're talking about is this one here, and it has the same dispute ID, which is good. So now it says that the payment is disputed, so we need to obviously submit some evidence. So when the dispute was created, it created some evidence for us. So I can open this PDF and it shows you the current transaction we're talking about. Ignore the IP address, that's just because we're running it locally. And each other transaction, so you can see that they've made 7 payments on the web store for similar items and the status of those payments. So that's a PDF. And let me just go back to that page, sorry. Where is it? This one here. And let's say we want to send this to Stripe. So you don't actually have to download this yourself and submit it. You can, but Donation Store can submit it for you on your behalf. So if you click submit to Stripe, it will load and it will say successfully submitted evidence to Stripe. The status is now changed to under review and you can no longer submit the evidence. But if I go back to your Stripe account and refresh, you can now see that it says dispute evidence is being reviewed by the cardholder's bank. So you can see the evidence was submitted. So that's pretty much it for the automatic dispute handling. Right now this is Stripe only because you don't need a special account to do this. However, this will be implemented with PayPal, but you will need a PayPal business account to handle that. But right now this is just for Stripe. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching.